Okay, so this is the DJ computer. You can see it right over here. You probably saw it in training. Anyway, the password for this computer, you won't have to do this often, but it's all caps, WIIT 889FM. Get yourself right in there. So, two main uses for this again. You see we have Chrome, and when we open that up, the first page you'll get, Flash Player is not supported. That's great. First page will be our main radio site. You can link people to this right up there. Next thing is IceCast, show you how many listeners you got. And the program log. Remember to fill this out within 3 days of having had your show. For PSAs, pick one from the bin, play it. Once you're done, put it in the back. And just listed here as the name of the disc and like 15, 30, 60-second track. Any music that you play, do it in the order of song, artist, album. It's just for royalty purposes. Put your fake signature at the bottom here and then submit it. This can be found in our Facebook group, WIIT DJs XX and community, and we can also email it to you. So that's it for the browser. Generally just close it at the end, reopen it as a courtesy for the next person because it'll reset all the cookies and everything. One other main thing, the stream recorder. Now, if everything's fine and our server's up, you'll see this. If not, email one of us, we'll restart the server and you'll get back up and running. And again, once you're done with your show, close this after like 10 seconds of waiting because it's all post delay. Get your little MP3, it's certainly not this one right here. So upload to Google Drive, put on a flash drive, whatever, and then just delete it from the desktop. If for some reason you're in a rush, again, just throw it in here. We'll probably delete it after 10 days. You might forget about it. Either way, it can go in here.